Steven? Ang galing, you know, Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you, you know. And starting my journey, you know, I wouldn't have wished this. You are not only a blessing to my life, but a blessing to many others today. So that, thank you.
I love you! I love you!
Nagulat ka ba? Nagulat ka ba?
Oh, mas speechless ako.